And that's how she looks as a handheld, I guess. Here's how small she looks. Super cute, y'all. Super cute. As you guys know, I like to start off my video just taking a little footage of how the bag looks on. That's how she looks on as a crossbody, just to kind of give you a size review. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a an unbagging because it came in a bag versus a box. I guess let's just open it and let's see what it looks like. So I did purchase this item on Amazon. I have Prime, so it did arrive in 2 days. And let's see what it's all about. Let's see what everybody's raving about, right? Okay, so it just came in packaged just like this. This feels pretty secure. Let's open it up. Packaged really well, actually. See? Come on. Okay, so it comes like this. In this really cheapy plastic or cheapy dust bag, I should say. To reveal. And I just took a peek at it and it's gorgeous already. I see it already. I see it. Okay, here we go. Wow. So this is the Ainifeel bag from Amazon. This is a size 28. I believe there's 3 sizes, a 25, the 28, which is this one, and a 32, I believe. And as you all know, this bag is, I don't want to say the word replica. It's an inspired Kelly Hermes bag. And I know Teddy Blake has the Eva bag, which is almost identical to this. I take that back. I don't know what Hermes look like. I've never held an Hermes. I've never held a Teddy Blake. But her, so far so good. Let's take a look. Everybody always says it smells real good. So I ordered the light top color. It feels heavy. It really does. Comes with these little legs here. Oh, and it looks like it's taped up. So I just have to remove the tape. Let's see here. I'm going to leave all the tape on for now. It comes in with this little plastic on the knob. And the knob is actually, or the clasp is wrapped up as well. Wow, that comes like super wrapped. Let's see, we could open that. How do we open that? Let's open her up. Wow, she's a really pretty color. She feels really substantial. Like, she feels like really good leather, to be honest with you. So we all know that Hermes bag, it's like $10,000. It's insane. That's like a down payment for a house, you know, like, you know, you go girls to the girls who can purchase that, but not this one right here. So it comes fully stuffed. Remove her. Smells like leather. You know what it is? It doesn't really, not like leather. It smells like, have you been to a rainbow store or like a Melrose? I don't know. It smells like the inside of their shoe from a rainbow store in a Melrose. I don't know why that just came to mind. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Comes with straps. We'll check that out in a bit. With the clochette thing. With a little scarf that they always give you for free. I'm not gonna put that on. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see about that. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and take off all the tags because I am gonna keep her. And I'm going to come back and show you what she looks like, okay? But before that, so it does, oh, look at the zipper thing. It's kind of like bendy. Zipper seems to zip pretty good. The pocket's pretty big, and it's actually leather on the inside. It's the same material on the inside as it is on the outside. So I'm just going to put you on hold real quick, and I'll come right back. I'm going to take off all the tags. I'm going to take off the straps, because that's how I plan on wearing it. And I'm going to put on this clochette thingy. I think that's what it's called. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. It took me a while to get off all the plastic. Like, look at all the plastic that I got off of it. Came with like this little leather thing. I guess it's a leather swatch. I don't know. It just came with a whole bunch of stuff. But I finally got all the plastic pieces off. I took off the the paper that was on the bottom. She's pretty. She is pretty. My goodness. I am so impressed with her. For an Amazon bag? So the name of the company is called Ainifeel. I did purchase her for $105, I believe it is. And I'll post a link below if you're interested in checking them out. They have tons of other color. This is true to color. So I ordered the light taupe. And this is, it looks like a light taupe. I'm so impressed that I kind of want to get a bigger size, like the size 32. Now, the reason why I got the size 28 is because I want to wear it out as a crossbody. And you saw how I showed it at the beginning of the video, how it looks as a crossbody and as a top handle bag. So the top handle looks to be in great quality. It's soft. It has this like rubber glazing that's brown, pretty. Here's what the side looks like. All the hardware is like a rose gold. The clasp is also like a rose gold. See that? The material feels really soft, and I wonder if it's really leather. What does it say? It doesn't give it doesn't say what kind of material it's made out of. Oh no, it does. It says cow leather. It says material, it's made out of cow leather. Origin China. Okay. It's such an Hermes look-alike. I think I'm gonna wear her like this. I'm gonna put the key in. I'm just gonna leave it in here. I'm gonna fix it off camera a little bit better so it could look nicer. But I'm gonna leave the key right there. And I'm gonna leave her hanging right here, like these two clasp things, because honestly, it could go this way, but it seems like it's too much trouble to get in and out of the bag if I do it that way. See, like that and like that. And then I could just twist it just like that. Oh my God, that looks super cute though. But it might be kind of like a pain in the butt, like to go, because you have to like mess with it, you know what I mean? Let's look inside of the bag. Oh, it does say Ainifeel right there, and it's in gold. It's actually really pretty. A lot of people say they don't like that sign there, so they get an eraser and erase it off. But I'm like, what's the point? I mean, what's the point? Nobody's going to see inside in there anyways, and we all know it's not a Hermes, you know. The inside, let me show you again. It's really big. It's going to hold a lot. It has two pockets right here. That's not sticky, because normally these bags, like, you know, from storage, sometimes they get a little sticky. This is actually a really big pocket, and it's all leather inside, too. I am so impressed. I'm so impressed. Anyways, I just wanted to hop in and kind of give you a little unboxing / review on this beauty here. I'm gonna film another video right after this on my Gucci Marmont in small. So I have that sitting out, and I'm just gonna kind of give you like a little comparison real quick of the size, okay? So there's what that, oh my God, it's really gorgeous. So pretty. So pretty, y'all. So like I said, I'm gonna film another video after this showing my 1-year review on my Gucci Marmont. So I worn the crap out of this bag. Like when I say I worn the crap out of this bag, I worn the crap. the crap out of it. So if you're interested in a review on this beauty right here, I'm going to post it right after this review. But here's a size comparison. It's like a, oh my gosh. Look at that. Let me show you this way. Maybe it'll make more sense if I show you this way. It's almost like the same length. Weird. I'm just kind of giving you a size comparison of them is what I'm doing. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel. And please like and subscribe, as that would really help me out a lot. And I'll come back maybe later, maybe a couple months to do a review on this bag just to see how well it's holding up and how I'm actually enjoying her. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.